So in this short tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off or remove eSIM from your Galaxy Watch. I'm using my Galaxy Watch 8 Classic for the demonstration, but the steps I'll show you can be used to turn off eSIM on all Galaxy Watches, be it 5, 6, 7 or the Ultra. After turning off or removing the eSIM from your smartwatch, the battery should last significantly longer. To start, open the app drawer on your Galaxy Watch and go to Settings. Tap on Connections, scroll down and tap on Mobile Networks. Again, scroll down to the bottom and select Mobile Plans. There you'll see your network provider. Now, if you just want to turn off the eSIM on your Galaxy Watch without removing it, then tap on your service provider for the eSIM and simply turn off the toggle button. Now the eSIM will be deactivated on your Galaxy Watch. Alternatively, if you want to remove the eSIM entirely from your Galaxy Watch, then in the Mobile Plan section, scroll down and select Remove All Mobile Plans. It will display a message to confirm, so just scroll down, check the I understand box and tap on Remove. And that's how you can easily remove, deactivate or turn off eSIM on your Samsung Galaxy Watch. If you found this video informative, then leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.